Hey guys, we are going to we have learned the letter T this week, and at the beginning of school we started the vowels, which are A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, uh. And so then this week we have learned our first consonant, and our consonant is the letter T that says t, t, t. Remember? All right, and so I'm going to go through each vowel sound, and we're going to add that sound in front of it and make a blend, okay? So we know that T says t, right? T says t. So if we have a T and an A together, we know that T says t, and we know that A says ah. So this is t, ah, t, ah, ta. Because we're going to put those together. And so how we do this is we say the sound that each letter makes, because this letter is saying the short vowel sound. So this letter T says t, t, t. So when we see the T, we're always going to say t. And then we see the vowel sound, and whatever vowel this is, we say that sound. Ready? T, ah, and then go back to the beginning. Ta. So this blend is ta. All right, so let's move down here to the other ones. All right, this is the letter I that says I, I, I. All right, and then we have our T. So we always go from left to right, this side. This is always going to be our beginning side. All right, so at the beginning we have t, t, t. So this is the letter t, t, and this is the letter I. So we see t, I, t, right? T, I, t. Good, let's look at some more. All right, now we have t, e, te, t, e, te. All right, let's move it down. T, ah, ta, t, ah, ta. Let's move it down again. Ready? T, ah, ta, t, ah, ta. Good. So we are making letter T blends. Bye, guys. You did a good job.